Well, howdy, howdy, howdy. Nearly Senior Citizen here. Greetings, boys, girls, and all of our non-binary friends, and welcome to this, another reaction video with me waving my hands in the air like I just don't care. Now, what I had thought we could react to was like a 9-hour loop of one of these European frogs just going squeep, but 9 hours is a long time, even to watch a frog. So instead, what we have is Rivermaya Balisong. I don't know which one is the group, which one is the song, but that's okay. We'll find out. Thumbs up on that. Now, of course, I live in a neighborhood. I live in a society. I live with housemates. I have my window open 24/7, 365. I live next to a forest and it's still late summer. If you hear my neighbors, if you hear my housemates, if you see and hear insects buzzing around, good eyes. Again, I mentioned that I live in the world. Thumbs up for that. Also, if I have to talk and say anything, if it's really short, I'm just going to say it. If it's 3 seconds or longer, I'm going to pause and then I'll talk. And of course, if you have any ideas for things for me to suggest to react to, please drop them into wherever the comments happen to be for the device you're on, and I'll do what I can. Thumbs up on that. So once again, it's Rivermaya with, I guess, Balisong. So let us watch, if I can show the video. Let us listen to, let us enjoy, and let us react to that song by that group, whichever is which, right now. Again, I don't know if I can show the video, so this part just might be mostly silence for you.
Your face lights up the sky on the highway.
Okay.
Someday
I like a good piano.
you share your world with me. Someday you mesmerize me.
Ooh.
With diamond eyes. I try to fool myself to think I'll be alright, but I am losing all control. My mind, my heart, my body, and my soul.
Okay.
Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted and more.
This is nice vocals. Nice little song. Very well done so far.
To speak
Again, not really watching the video.
the great dilemmas I'm finding myself in. For all I know, you only see me as a friend. I try to tell myself, wake up, fool. This fairy tale's got to end. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's
This is
made
nice.
me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted.
It's got piano. It's got violin.
Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way
Well, well, well. It started off nice, but nothing really special. And then it turned into something that was pretty special. That was really, really, really nice. I love the instruments being played. I love the way that they were played. The vocals were nice. The song was nice. It was just good. Oh my gosh. Whomever suggested this, thank you so very, very much. And if you have any suggestions of things you would like me to react to, please drop them into the comments wherever they are on the device you're watching. That would be very cool. Definitely a thumbs up. And hokey smokes. Yeah. Also, if you could check out the text file for wherever the video text file happens to be, there's links to all of my channels in it. If you could check that out, that'd be awesome. There's also links to my Patreon. If you could become a Patreon, that would be cool. Very awesome. If you'd like to help me out otherwise, I have a PayPal link. You can check that out. And if you'd like to help me out without sending money, I do have an Amazon wish list link, which hopefully I will have updated by the time you see this. Hopefully. I do not ask that you do any of these things. That is merely optional. I am just whistling on my dentures massively. My sincere apologies. But the only thing I do ask you to do is to watch and enjoy the videos. Thumbs up on that. So, that was an awesome song, and I can sincerely hope that you enjoyed it even half as much as I did. That is definitely a good thing. So until we meet again, you take care. Have a great day today. I will see you on the flip side, and that is, quite frankly, a very good thing.